What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can turn off activity status on TikTok. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do, first you have to open up your TikTok app on your mobile phone. Then you have to go to your profile directly, just like this. So please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you. Then after going to profile, what you have to do, you have to click on this three dot bar icon in the top right corner. Then you can see here is a bunch of options. What you have to do, you have to click on settings and privacy in the last option. Then you are on the settings and privacy options. There is a bunch of options. What you have to do, you have to find the option called privacy, just like this option. You have to click on privacy. Then here you can see here is the option called activity status. This is already turned on. If this option is turned on your mobile phone, your activity status will be turned on and your activity will be showed on your friends. So what you need to do to turn it off, you have to click on this option. Then you are ready to go. Now your activity status will be turned off and no one can see if you are active on TikTok. So this is how you can turn off your activity status on TikTok app. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.